This is True BBQ. We'll come back and get some food, yeah, we'll get a quick drink. Look at the queue for the food. You do get Powerade though. Is it working, Lace? No, it's not working, darling. So none of the ice cream machines are working. Try the other one. Excuse me, guys. Do you know when any of the ice cream machines are going to start working?
Which one is it?
Well, all of them. No ice cream machines are working.
Ice cream machine, yes, the maintenance is still working on it.
Okay.
I'm not sure how long it's going to be.
Right, okay. But,
yeah.
Okay.
Sorry about
That's okay. Alright, alright.
Yeah. Hey!
And we're heading to go grab some food.
It's working!
We get food, yeah, go get food first and then ice cream after. At least we know it's working. Barbecue ribs,
I wish they had snow cones.
chicken, burgers.
Daddy, I wish they had snow cones.
I know, it'd be cool, wouldn't it?
It's corn on the cob there, mate.
You want corn on the cob? Yeah, of course. Put some chips on there for Lee.
That's not to pick any up.
And a corn on the cob.
Some mac and cheese. Yeah.
A bit of salad. And what would you like?
I like this one.
That's a chicken burger, I think.
Yeah, but
You're happy with a chicken?
very good, spicy.
Is it quite spicy? Do you want a beef burger?
Yeah.
Yeah? Well, I'll have this one and we can always have a bite, okay?
Chicken.
Yeah. And then you want the the cheeseburger? Okay, thank you.
Can I get a hot dog?
You can. There's there's a hot dog. Chili con carne. So you can access it both sides, left and right. Want to get some ketchup?
There's no pot.
You just put it straight on the plate, do you?
Yeah.
Want a dollop there? Push it down. And another one. That'll do.
You have to put it straight on the plate.
We've got a cheeseburger, spicy chicken burger, corn on the cob, some mac and cheese and a hot dog, some broccoli, some fries.
I'm just gonna have my food.
Yeah. There's what Mum got. I want to sat right next to a nice big fan. And that's our view for tea. Spicy chicken burgers are pang made. Oh no. Saw a fly.
Come a super fly.
Is that good corn? The only problem with the fan is it's just really loud. Yeah. But there are no flies. I think we've seen one fly. And now it's just us. It's just us in here now. How is the hot dog? Out of 5. 4. How's the burger?
What's a burger?
What about your ribs?
They were great.
Fries?
They were, mine were great. Mine were great. Yours were
as I said, the chicken burger was hang. Lemon drizzle. Look at that sea. Beautiful. We want to be by the play pad, don't we?
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bam! Bye guys. Bye guys.